Hi everybody, today we are learning how to do multi-digit multiplication using partial products. And we're going to start with 2-digit times 1-digit. With partial products, what you're doing is you're taking your bigger number and you're splitting it up. So we're saying, instead of doing 37 times 6, I'm going to do 30 times 6, and then I'll do 7 times 6. So you're splitting it up into easier multiplication problems, and then you just add it all together at the end. Our first step is to look at that 37 and split it up, and we're going to split it into expanded form. So that 3, the green 3 there, is really a 30, and the 7 is a 7. 37, we split this one up. Now, since we're multiplying against the 6, the 30 needs to multiply against the 6, and the 7 needs to multiply against the 6. And that's why we have its own separate box down here for the 6. And now we can see the arrows pointing at it because we're going to do 30 times 6 and 7 times 6. Instead of just doing 37 times 6, we're splitting it up into 2 easier multiplication problems. And we're going to put our answers in these boxes and then add them together. And if you get stuck, you can use the colors to help you. This is green and red, so it's green versus red, and then this is blue versus red. So I'm going to start with 30 times 6 and put it in this box. When you're multiplying 30 times 6, you can just forget about the 0 and just do 3 times 6 and then stick the 0 back on. 3 times 6 is 18. And then we put the 0 back on, so 30 times 6 is 180. And then here we're going to do 7 times 6. 7 times 6 is 42. So if you know your multiplication tables, it makes this so much easier. And you can also use a resource to help you too while you're still learning. Now, we're just going to add these together because this is 30 times 6 and this is 7 times 6. So this together is 37 times 6. Starting on the right, 0 plus 2 is 2. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we got 220.